Top 10. Best Fish Fillet Knives. Sharpness, grip, control, and the flexibility or stiffness needed to make cuts precisely. Number 10. Kershaw Clearwater 7 Sheath. Thin flexible blade and crafted to be corrosion resistant and durable, it is the best fillet knife for cleaning larger fresh and saltwater fish including tuna, cod, eel, tilapia, salmon, snapper, catfish, and more. Durable and rust-resistant construction. Strong yet flexible blade. Backed by Kershaw limited lifetime warranty. Number 9. Rada stainless steel blade. Manufacturer whose knives are top-rated. They are really committed to making quality products that offer the best value. They even provide a hassle-free lifetime guarantee on their products. This knife features a thin blade that's perfectly designed for filleting. Flexible and versatile blade. Sturdy and durable construction. Comes with its own custom scabbard. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Fish Fillet Knives or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. DALSTRONG Gladiator Series. Knife lives up the high standards this company has set. From the design, craftsmanship, packaging to the performance, everything about it is impressive. This top-rated boning knife is a favorite for professional and home chefs, butchers, and anglers. Versatile multi-purpose knife. Quality knives at a great value. Well designed and attractive. Number 7. American Angler Pro Professional. Tough filleting jobs, bulk cutting tasks and large species like salmon, striper, redfish, trout, grouper, rock cod, catfish, muskie and more. It is one of the best electric fish fillet knives you can come across. Ergonomic handle. Long blade for handling big fish. Interchangeable blade design. Number 6. Gerber Gator 7.5-inch. Its attractive full-tang fillet knife great for filleting fish is the thin, long blade that cuts fish very well, and the handle that offers a very strong grip when working, making it a joy to hold and use. It's clearly well made to last and offered at an accessible price. Easy to hold and comfortable to use. Sturdy and durable construction. Attractively designed. Number 5. Buck 022 Zerables Knife Silver. Easily packable fillet knife that can store easily in your tackle backpack or pocket. Buck Knives offers the best fish cleaning knife with this folding knife. The best thing is that it isn't too weak to fillet or so stiff that it is prone to snapping. Comfortable and non-slip grip. Buck Knives offers a lifetime guarantee. Sturdy and durable build. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Fish Fillet Knives or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Morakniv Fishing Comfort. And preparing a variety of fish sizes. Its corrosion-resistant construction means it can handle saltwater fish, without rusting and becoming useless. The handle is comfortable and offers a strong grip. It comes with its own plastic sheath. The versatile medium-sized blade size. Well made and high quality. Sturdy and odor-free crafting. Number 3. Rapala 4 Soft Grip with Single Stage. Very popular and top-rated for their quality and performance. This knife features the brand's renowned flexible and razor-sharp stainless steel blade and a soft grip, making it a joy to fillet with. The included sheath one can attach to their belt. Ergonomic and comfortable handle. Sleek and stylish design. Fits on the belt for easy access. Number 2. Victorinox Swiss Army 6-inch Fibrox. Versatility are some of the things that make this top-rated boning knife the best fish fillet knife. It is no surprise given that it's made in Switzerland and Swiss products, as well as Victorinox Swiss Army knives, have a reputation for superior quality. Hygienic handle. Variety of blade styles to choose from. Limited lifetime warranty. Number 1. Mercer Culinary Millennia Arrow. Quality and precision culinary tools. Mercer Culinary knives are actually the go-to in the food industry. If you want a fillet knife from an excellent manufacturer, this is the best fillet knife with thousands of 5-star ratings and glowing user reviews. Very comfortable and secure grip. Ergonomic and sanitary handling. Excellent craftsmanship. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Fish Fillet Knives or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts.